Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike here in the Frugal Fixer shop. Today I couldn't do anything on the guitar because there was too much moisture in the air for me to put on the sealer. So I had this thought that came in my mind, you know, things happening in this brain. And I grabbed up a couple of bolts and some anchors and some nuts. And I grabbed up one of these old things that I had sitting around. And I was looking at it, you know, and you could put a neck in there like that. And if you had two of them, you could put a neck in there and clamp it between the two of them and hold it. You know what I mean? So what my thought was, if I was to put them two bolts down in there like that, and then a pivot up here like this, and two of these on the top of it, be kind of like that StewMac vise, but it'd be simple. It'd be something I could just use when I need something for a little while. So we're going to try it out and see if I can make it. So let's get at it and see what happens. You know, it'll either work or it won't. And we'll see what I can do with it. Let's go. Yeah, I'm that crazy. Now, these two should work to grab a guitar neck like that, or any way we want to grab it, I'm hoping. Okay, we're moving right along. Let's get this glue set up in these holes. I thought I had some two-part epoxy, but I couldn't find the stupid stuff. So we're going to let this set up, and then we're going to mount these in here. Then we'll be able to try this thing out after a while. So let's go with it. See you in a bit. I got it mocked up here. It may not be perfect yet, but we're in this neighborhood. I probably should have run them bolts all the way through to give it some real good locking ability, but we'll see. Okay, guys. Hey. This is the mock-up on my vise. It's not right yet. It's got to have some work done, but I'm getting there. So y'all ready? Check it out. You see the angle this thing's mounted at in here? Look at this. So I'm just going to loosen it and let it off, and I'm just going to stick it in. Let's go this way. Okay, let's just stick it in and go that way. You ready? Okay, now we're just going to lock the vise, and the whole bench is moving because I got it up on its wheels. Let's turn it and go... let's do it right here like this. Okay, got that. How'd that work? That's pretty good too, right? Okay, let's try one more. Let's see. Let's get it about a hill, right there on the hill. So we can hold on to it. Okay, good. Now, when you want to take the headstock, stick the headstock in there at a funky angle, look at that. So if you got something shaped all crazy, look at that. Put it in there and look what happens. That's it. I'm still working on it, but it's coming. The cheap vise. We'll get you one quick. Don't worry. Frugal Fixer vise. Look at it. Look for it to get finished up here the next day or so. My gold mines are working. When the mine goes working, y'all just never know what's going to happen. So, hey, this is what I got going so far, and it's just kind of my demo prototyping deal. And it's tough and it's strong, but it's got to have some work done to make it a little more, this way. But I will get on it. I got it figured out. I already got the whole thing figured out in my brain. I just don't have the parts. We'll get them tomorrow. So, hey, y'all be good. I'm going to get it done. See you later. Bye.